buy and get cash back each and every time you buy on this platform. You get a cash back here in South Africa, guys. Watch this video until the end. As you can see now, watch this video until the end as I show step by step on how to do that, guys. So as you can see, Uncook coupon code, get 30% of your first order. So if you're going to buy on this platform, you get 30% on your first order. Doesn't matter, starting from 80 rand above, you can get your cash back, guys. Reveal a code, you can just click where they say reveal a code when you have money to buy. So on this platform, when you register using the link below, they're gonna give you free 40 rand after registering, guys. So as you can see, copy and go to store. You just copy for this, you just copy the code and then go to the store that you're willing to buy from and then start buying and get your code, guys. So let's watch this video until the end as I show you. Please make sure you keep on subscribing to this channel if you're new, just because I want more people to join the family, guys. So I want to show you step by step on how to do this, how to get your free 40 rand, and also how to buy to your favorite stores and get free cash back, guys, starting from 80 rand, little as 80 rand, guys. That's not much. And also for those who want to make money with this platform, I will show you how to make money, guys, on this platform. So what you're going to do, we're gonna wait for it to load, so that after loading I will show the things that you need to do to actually make money on this platform. So as we copied our okay, we copied this one, guys. We copied this one. So what we're going to do, we're gonna choose every you're gonna like choose every code that you want to use, guys, every code that you want to use. But as you can see, let me show you the stores that they have Uncook coupon code. So this one, you can just go to this favorite store, and this one, travel start voucher, you can just go for this store, and then this one you can just go for this store and buy from. And this one is Wish. If you don't know Wish, guys, Wish is available here in South Africa. Like, you can buy like things from Wish and then they're gonna deliver to your post office here in South Africa. If you don't know that, but it's simple to do that, guys. To order is simple on Wish. So you're gonna get your 30%, guys. Okay, from this one you're gonna get 20%, not 30, from for your first order. And then on this one, guys, you're gonna get 1.3 percent. And then on this one, Nike promo, can just get this one. And then we're gonna scroll down, like there are a lot of stores, guys, here to buy from, guys, but me, I'm using Standard Bank, not Standard Bank, man. I'm using this one called Mr. Price to just buy from this favorite stores, guys. I'm using Mr. Price to have my cashback on, guys. Also with Wish, guys, I'm using also Wish to do this, guys. So as you can see, this one also is from South Africa, 15% fashion store. You can just buy just because they have free shipping. You can buy from them just because they have free shipping, and we know it's here in South Africa. This one 70%, guys. Wow, 70% is very good. So guys, it's simple, guys, to buy here and have your cashback, guys. Buy from these favorite stores and have your cashback. As you can see on this one, Uber Eats, you're gonna get 10 rand percent. Like, you're gonna get cashback is 10 rand, guys. So cashback is going to be 10 rand. So as you can see here, we have also Mr. Price. As I was saying, guys, yeah, we also have Mr. Price, guys. So you can just activate your cashback, and start making money, guys. Simple as that. As you can see here, guys, activate cashback. You just click on activate cashback if you want to use this to get your cashback. And then on this one, you can just click get a deal for 30% promo, Mr. Price promo. As you can see, you can just get the deal. Let me just show you what you're going to do. And then you will need to make sure you have the Pico the Pico D app. Make sure you download this app so that you can get this 30%. So they need that app for you to get that. Shop ladies skirts from only 50 rand at Mr. Price. As you can see here, guys, As you can see, you can also get this deal, but make sure you have downloaded the app, guys. So for those who want to make money with this platform, what you're going to do, you're gonna like focus on referrals, guys. Focus and referrals. I'm just gonna show you, but for to withdraw is simple, guys. Just click on the icon, on this icon up here, and then you're gonna just go for the withdrawal. If you want to withdraw your money, you're gonna get free 40 rand when you register. Refer and earn, you're gonna go where they say refer and earn for those who want to make money, guys, on this platform. So as you can see, invite 2 friends and receive 400 rand ZAR for the ZAR. The offer lasts until 12/05 or 2023. So guys, make sure you hurry to copy your link. You can just click copy your link. So for each person that registers using your link and complete a purchase for at least 80 rand, you will get 40 rand. For inviting 2 people, you're gonna get 400 rand, guys. That's so amazing. So you can just like use Facebook for this, and also TikTok for this, and also like you can use a lot of things to get like people to register under you. That's how you're going to do that, guys. So I will see you on the next video. So boy, TMK Money. Don't forget to like and subscribe.